Screen recording. Here I've selected position 1, phone and screen. To play back the phone at the same time as the screen, hold down Shift and select both the phone and the screen that you want to play back. Right-click and select Start Mixed Playback. The screen recording and audio will begin playing back at the same time. Here you can see the screen at the top. To make it larger, click either the plus sign, which will pop it out to an application, or you can click the window in front of the other window and it'll open up in a new window. As you can see here, you can enlarge it by clicking this. There you are. And you can see the operator typing into the CAD. You can always play the screen recording separately by simply clicking on the screen recording without the audio. Under View, Multimedia Display Options, you can choose to display in the canvas or to display an application. Likewise, if you click the plus sign here, this will pop it out to an application, whereas this will open a new window.